and this is really awesome, guys, actually, to say, guys. I don't know, just now something has happened, so I have to put this as part 2, guys. Something, I just pressed some button and it was closed off. Then, guys, like this, if you go, I'm going to show you, this is a very slow version, guys. So let's do it. You can just put some music on it and you can just see this very nicely, guys. Oh, guys, it's the end of it, guys. So hit the bell icon, guys, and please subscribe to my channel, guys. And it's a part 2, guys. And so what is okay, bye, guys. Next video is gonna be about propagation. So I'm gonna like, it's just a gift from me, guys. Just leave. Stay home, stay safe. Bye, guys.